There's an adage that says Omo Oshagba for one casually. So just imagine a girl of maybe 15, 16 using iPhone 13 Pro Max. And your mom is hawking your water.
Plenty. You did every market.
So just imagine all that, and the girl just come one day and just give you 200,000. The girl just come one day and just give you 500,000. You as a mother, you are just collecting it. You feel that you are eating the fruit of your labor.
Everybody look at German now.
So when that girl eventually starts falling sick, and maybe God forbid the girl is maggot is coming out of her private part.
That one is too.
So now imagine all those kind of things. So that is why, as a parent, you need to curb your children, tame your children. Don't be too hard on them. Don't be too free with them. Be in between. So because if you don't push them out, they will not enter the wrong person's hand.
So what you are trying to say in essence is that UK policy, they are trying to minimize the risk their teenagers or
they are always giving attention to their kids. And their children are always close to them. Not like Nigeria people that our mommy will tell us that time. But in UK, they will explain for you. They will tell you the truth that if you have intercourse with so person,
we always find it hard to explain deeply.
That is the problem we have here in Nigeria. Instead of our parents, they should explain to us, don't have sex. If you have sex, you have unwanted pregnancy. If you do this, they should explain.
They should be very clear on those points.
They should be straight and strict when they want to explain things, not cutting corners.
It's like
they should hit the nail on the head.
For me, I think it's hard to say, because if you feel your child is not exposed to...
Have you forgotten that they are going to school?
Yes.
And they mingle with different kind of children. And it's just like your son or daughter going to school in the morning. You used to chat with your child, and your child goes to school in the morning. In the afternoon, when you go and pick him or her up, engage in conversation. Try to know what he or she has learned in school for that day. Give room for question. Give room for give your child listening ears. Let your child be free with you. That's when your child will be able to tell you anything, even if they have their phones with them in their room. Burst into them anytime. Don't give them that space. Make sure you are on point. You know everything about them. Give them, don't be too hard on them. That's when you will know if anybody is harassing them.
They will explain.
That's when you will know if something is bothering them that they need to share. But some parents, they don't have that time.
Yes, aside from being away from children, sometimes I feel that some of us, we are not raised in a way of such whereby you sit your child down. You ask them to say, let's get to know each other. Despite that we are living in the same house.
Under the same roof.
Yeah. But some of us, because I see that kind of thing around, we feel like I'm the boss. When I'm talking, my children shouldn't say anything.
You understand?
Some people still do
world
that.
is more civilized than that.
But you believe
You
that?
need to hear their opinion.
Okay. Now, what about the army children? They say that often that my papa na soldier. Say when my papa they talk, he cannot. They said that.
Do you know that now they themselves, they are now bringing themselves to their children's, because they are bringing themselves down to the level of their kids, because nobody wants to be blamed for anything that happens to their children.
It's better to balance
so
it now.
it's better to correct whatever that is necessary before it gets out of hand. It's just like some kids right under their father and mother's nose, they've joined cult. And their parents do not know. They will say their child is gentle, is quiet, is always keeping to himself, not knowing that he's doing something hidden. He has entered the wrong hand.
There is one incident of a guy that killed himself about last year. I was shocked when they couldn't even trace where the problem came from. He just said that the guy doesn't talk to people. It's always moody. He doesn't. It's like he doesn't. But he has a friend somewhere. So what I felt is, if people could come out to say what they know, there's something that led to that guy that he decided to kill himself. But prior to that, somebody came to say that the guy visited one prayer association or that to say, please help me pray that he has offended God and is about to die, that is into so thing. He has killed this, he has killed this, and they said he should kill this person, and he said he cannot kill that person. So, and if he refused to do their,
he will be in danger.
You understand now? When you told me that, I won't lie to you, I couldn't even say anything, because that is something I've never seen such thing. For somebody to say, I kill this person, kill this person, kill this, and they say I should kill this, and say I cannot kill it. I was like, so you and some people can stand and negotiating. I say people can be very, very
desperate. People can. You can't trust some people. That is why you need to give your children close marking.
I love that.
Give them close marking.
Let them know at all
what
time
they do.
You are with them
at every time. Know where they will be. Know their movements. Know everything. Make sure that you are not hard on them, so that they can always open up to you.
Even if there's anything they are doing that you don't like, control your emotion. Make sure that
you correct them with love, because the children we are raising now, their own brain is not like the 1987 brain.
They call them jet age.
They know a lot of things that you as a parent don't know. You'll be shocked when you hear some things.
Hey God.
You just be like, because you would think it's somebody that is teaching him or her. You will not know that he or she knows what he or she is saying. They will even explain to you when you say you don't understand.
I say, my children, they'll be singing. I don't play music at home. How come they're speaking this? I say,
will you block their ears if they are going out?
They'll be singing word to words. I was like,
you yourself, you don't know the lyrics, but they know.
Okay.
They will even correct you.
If I'm singing song, I used to sing this Omale. Omale. That is not like that. I say, Now that one I'm going to put for my brain.
So what they know, even what you don't teach them at home, they hear outside.
Hey, so we have so much to do.
When it's not like you block their ears when they are going out, is that possible?
Possible.
So
Man, this one is very, very
deep.
It's very, very deep.
Very, very deep.
I think now let's quickly round up. Okay, I think on this episode we'll be, talking more about it later, because when it comes to how to maintain your relationship with your friend in overseas, when you are trying to monitor your children, when you are trying to make sure you be a very good father or mother to your children, this is a very,
it's a very delicate and complicated matter
that once has to,
you have to use wisdom. You apply wisdom.
So we'll be talking more in depth about that, because for now we're going to, draw the curtain on that topic. Then we'll be going on break. When we return, we talk about garagara ẹ̀yin let your wife breathe. I've said that before. I've said that, and I will continue to say it. Like Mr. President said, let the poor breathe. Let the poor breathe. But I'm saying, let your
wife
your
breathe.
girlfriend,
your
mistress, let them breathe. This wahala, if they go out, spend 1 hour like this, getting jealous. You people jealous too much. Let me tell you, when you behave maturely, when you man up, your girlfriend, your mistress, your wife will respect you.
Yeah.
But when you are doing gaga, everyone's nagging, like Ibimaluni. Take it easy.
Yes, so
woman respect will respect them. We'll be coming back after the break.